Okay, here's another quick little video. You might remember in my last video I was showing you a little game that I knocked up called Bricks, which was started off as just a little test thing to try out the emulator on a Galaxian board that I'm using. Well, I've just fiddled around a little bit more with this Bricks program and I've now added a few more features, so it's actually a playable game now. So you can see it's running in the attract screen, where it will randomly move the bat, which is letter I's at the moment. It says at the bottom credit 0, and I've rigged it up to an old controller, PlayStation 1 controller. So select will put a coin in, which is credit, and start obviously start, and I've got left and right there. So if I go and push the select button, which effectively is putting coins in, you can see it will say press start because credit's gone up 1, and if I push it again, credit 2, so it will take coins effectively, and then when I press start it will go into the game, and then I have control of the bat using the left and right arrows, so I'm moving the left and right, as you can see. So not bad at all. It obviously needs something done with the graphics, so I'll need to figure out how to do the graphics ROMs to make some nice little graphics. Press start, I've still got credit left, so I'll do it again. And the other thing it obviously hasn't got is any sound effects, which is another thing to try and figure out. But what I've managed to do is I've got the star field working in the background. I've also figured out how to stop it watchdogging, so it's all basically working, and it will work on any Galaxian board. And to test it all out, rather than just run it on the emulator all the time, I actually programmed it into a 2716 EEPROM using the tester again, because I have an EEPROM programmer which I've developed for the tester. So I programmed it in, whoops, there we go, and it's now running on a Galaxian board. You can see typical Galaxian board with the riser board with all the usual EEPROMs, but the first EEPROM I've taken out and I've put my own EEPROM in, which is called Bricks, and it's got the little program in it. It's 550 bytes long, and it's just running with a normal processor on a Galaxian board, so you can plug that into any Galaxian board and get this coming up. What I'll do is I'm going to put on the website, I'm going to put the bin file for this, so you could copy it, you could put it into an EEPROM and play it yourself if you want to have a bit of fun. I'm also going to put the text file of the program, which is Z80 assembly code, and that is what I've typed up to run through the emulator. It actually will compile it and create a bin file for you. So I'm going to put both of those up there, but also the other thing is you can also go direct to me as well, and I'll supply you with both those files if you want them. And feel free to play around with them, and some bright spark might even add the sound effects. So yeah, you know, just another little silly video. Okay, but I'll resume doing some more videos of the tester soon.